There you go. Here are cool things you can do in a computer. The first one is if you have a bunch of software or other things in your desktop and you want to hide them all, so you can do this by simply right click, view, show desktop icon, bam, they all will be hidden. And now if you want to again unhide these, click on the view, again show desktop icons, click this, and bam, all will be unhide. This is how you can do this. The next is if you're running a software or something else and you want to create another desktop that is full empty, you can do this by simply press the window plus tab key, click on the new desktop, and there you go. Here this is empty desktop. You can do this. You can create other desktop as well. You can create as you want, multiple as you want to. You can create all these, and there you go, new desktop. Now the next is if you want to take screenshot of your screen, you can do this in your PC by just, there is no need of third-party application. You can do this on your PC by just press the window shift and S, and you can take a full screenshot, or you can screenshot the specific area by just double click on it, and there we go, and the screenshot will be taken and saved to the snip. And in here, snip and sketch, you can edit this and you can save this to your desktop. I hope this video will help you and you have enjoyed the video. If you want more tricks like this, press the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, press the like button, and also you can press the bell icon also in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.